Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add red color page border in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video now I can see add red color page border. Now going to the insert menu option, then click. Now click for a text box. Now draw a text box in full page. Now you can see add red color page border. Now going to the format menu option, then click for a shape outline. Now going to the red color and then again click for shape outline, then click for widget option. Now click for 3PD. That is. Now I can see add red color page border in Publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.